Hey, what's up vlog? Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, andito kami ngayon sa
Not So Fun City.
So yun o, punta namin sila. Ma'am? What's up vlog? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're celebrating 49th birthday of my mom. Mano ibig sabihin ng DK?
Na?
DK.
Di ko alam.
DK. Mal. Sabihin DK.
Don't know.
Don't know. Ikaw yan.
Dark Knight.
Dark Knight. Si Doti. Alam mo yung Doti eh. Doting kilig. Ikaw, man.
Doting. Kalabaw.
Doting kilabot.
Grabe naman. Pero fairness dots nung wala ka, hindi ganyan kasaya.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Thank you sa bag, sa cash, and sa gift. Thank you, Mami Jern. And Ian.
Saan mo? Pinaktis mo yun sa bahay.
Practice mo yun, di ba?
Yay!